Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
I will show a clear step-by-step method to estimate a square root. Start by identifying a nearby perfect square for a quick estimate. For example, 1,521 is near 1,444 and 1,600, so estimate 39. Use place value to set the integer part only before refinement steps. This quick estimate saves time and reduces calculation when you choose refinement methods next. We will refine using two methods: long division and Newton iterations. Follow each step slowly and check your arithmetic to avoid errors and ensure accuracy. I will teach the digit-by-digit long division method for square roots. Pair digits from the decimal point outward before starting the steps. Work from the leftmost pair to find the largest integer whose square fits. Subtract and bring down the next pair as in division. Double the current root to form the new divisor base. Find the next digit that fits and append it to the root. Repeat these steps until you reach the desired precision or until the remainder becomes 0. I will explain Newton's method, also called the Babylonian method, for square roots. Start with an initial guess x0 that is reasonably close to the actual root. Apply the iteration x next equals xn plus s/xn divided by 2 to refine the guess. Each iteration roughly doubles the number of correct digits in the estimate. Continue until the difference between successive estimates is below your tolerance. For example, to find SQRT 1,521, start with x0 equals 40 and iterate twice to reach 39. Always verify by squaring the result.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.